If you've been on the hunt for a solid motion graphics app for your mobile device, you might have come across Alight Motion. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see what it's all about. Alight Motion is a mobile app designed for creating motion graphics and animations on the go. It offers a user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and experienced users. Right away, you'll notice its array of tools including vector graphics, multiple layers, and a range of blending modes. The timeline feature is intuitive, making it relatively easy to manage complex animations. One thing that stands out is the ability to create animations with keyframe support, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to add a professional touch to their projects. However, while the app is packed with features, I found some aspects to be a bit overwhelming for new users. The learning curve can be steep, especially if you're not familiar with motion graphics concepts. There's also limited information on the app's website about specific use cases, which may leave some users wanting more guidance. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Alight Motion's flexibility and range of features are impressive. It's great for anyone looking to create high-quality animations without needing a full workstation. The community around the app is also fairly active, which can be helpful for finding tutorials and inspiration. On the flip side, there are a few drawbacks. Some users have reported performance issues on older devices, which could be frustrating if you're trying to work on the go. Additionally, while the free version is decent, it lacks certain features that might be essential for professional work, pushing users towards the paid subscription. This could be a deal breaker for those on a tight budget or just looking to experiment. In conclusion, Alight Motion is a powerful tool for anyone serious about motion graphics on mobile. If you're willing to invest some time in learning the app and can overlook a few performance hiccups, it's definitely worth trying out. However, if you're just dabbling or need something more straightforward, you might want to explore other options.